There are some truths we don't learn, we remember. They rise in us like ancient echoes, as if they've been waiting for the right moment to awaken. Science calls it quantum entanglement, when two particles remain connected across time and space, no matter how far apart they travel. When one moves, the other responds instantly, beyond logic, beyond distance. What if souls can be entangled the same way? What if two human beings, separated by oceans, lifetimes, even entire worlds, can still feel each other? A shared pull, a silent knowing, a heartbeat that doesn't belong only to you. Maybe that's why some moments feel like destiny. Why some people feel familiar before you even speak. Why your soul sometimes aches for places you've never been, but seem to know. People think we need technology to reach other realms, but nature has always been the original doorway. When we are quiet among trees, when the wind moves around us, when we feel the pulse of the earth beneath our feet, something inside us remembers. We are not just here to survive, we are here to connect. Because every frequency we send out returns to us. And when our frequency rises, so does our awareness. That's when we begin to feel what most people can't see. Messages in the sky, patterns in energy, a presence just beyond the veil. Some people are not strangers. They are just someone we haven't met yet. And when they arrive, something inside us just knows. Even if we can't explain it, the heart recognizes before the mind does. So if you feel a pull, trust it. You are not imagining it. The universe speaks through energy, and nature is how we hear it. Winter is arriving here in the Northern Hemisphere. It feels like just yesterday that butterflies were still dancing in the last rays of summer light. And now, everything has changed. Not just in nature, but within us and around us. It's been months wrapped in movement and upheaval, a time of endings, awakenings, and choices we can no longer postpone. All across the world, people are facing their own storms, inner and outer. The energy is heavy. The division between the old world and the new is no longer hiding in the shadows. It is right in front of us. We witness harshness, cruelty, and fear playing out on the world stage. Old systems, old patterns, old ways of living are cracking. And those still clinging to outdated vibrations are struggling to hold their masks in place. Truth is rising, and once you see, you cannot unsee. So I feel called to say this again, from my heart to yours. Trust your path, trust what you feel, trust what your eyes have opened to. Don't let anyone dim your inner fire or blur what you know in your soul to be true. We are standing at a real turning point, personally, collectively, spiritually. And even when it feels overwhelming, even when the world feels cold and uncertain, remember, winter is not the end. Winter is preparation, transformation, a return to the roots of who we truly are. Hold your light, walk your truth. The new world is being shaped, one awakened heart at a time. A lot of us are connecting with new ways of living, new ways of thinking, new ways of trusting what lies ahead. And like every transformation, it comes with its challenges. It can feel painful, almost heartbreaking, when we step away from old chapters, old versions of ourselves, or even people we once walked closely with. It may feel like we are letting someone down, but in truth, we are simply returning to who we really are. I'm reminded of the cranes that migrate every year, passing over my island. They don't question their path. They don't apologize for changing direction. They follow the deep inner compass written into their being. They trust the wind. They trust the season. They trust the call within that says, "Move now." Every year they return, circling above like ancient guardians of the sky, reminding us that life is movement. Life is rhythm. Life is cycles of leaving and returning, of letting go and coming home again. Nothing in nature clings to what has already passed. The cranes don't stay in the cold just to make others comfortable. They honor the journey. They honor life's eternal flow. And so must we. When our soul calls us forward, we are not betraying anyone. We are aligning with our purpose. Just like the cranes, sometimes we have to travel through unknown skies to reach where we are meant to be. Autumn and winter are often seen as the dark months. Many people fear this darkness because it brings silence, and silence makes us feel. But in nature, darkness is not a threat. It is a season of wisdom. Look at the bear who retreats to dream, the deer who moves deeper into the forest for protection, the fox who becomes sharper in the stillness. Even the small hedgehog curls into safety, trusting life to wake it when the time is right. None of them fear the winter, they honor it. So if this season feels heavy for you, don't run from it. Walk with it. Let the cold clear you. Let the quiet teach you. Let the darkness show you your own light. Somewhere along the way, our modern world forgot this rhythm. We built a life that never slows down, a life disconnected from earth, from spirit, from truth. We lost the ability to listen. But nature still remembers, and when we come back to it, we remember too. And now, something else is awakening. All around the world, people are witnessing lights in the sky, intelligent orbs, moving plasma, energies that seem to respond to consciousness itself. I believe this is connected to ancient sites and Earth's deep energetic pathways. These phenomena reveal themselves not to the curious, but to the resonant, to those who have raised their frequency enough to meet them. Have I seen them? Yes, I have filmed them for years. These encounters grew stronger as my life cracked open through loss, grief, and change. Because when your heart breaks open, you become clearer. Your signal changes. High frequency isn't noise. It is silence, truth, and love. When you begin to let go of the chaos of this world, you begin to tune in to others. Your frequency is a key. It opens doors between realms. Doors our ancient ancestors once knew how to walk through. We have not lost this ability. We only forgot it. And now we are remembering. You are not alone. You are not imagining this. You are awakening. Return to nature and raise your frequency. Then you will witness the world they said didn't exist. Stay kind and shine your light.